Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this 2019 Freedom Express Liberty Edition. And this is from Coachmen. It's one of their higher level of aluminum frame, ultralight trailers that has multi-slides in it. It's going to have a big, huge front living area. We'll start off on the inside and we'll show you how that looks. It gives you some opportunity to really go out and live in a coach for a long time because it's got so much space, good storage in it. So let me start on the inside and we'll finish up on the outside. A big part of this unit, obviously the TV is huge, but a big part of it is that it has opposing slide outs in the living area. Most of our daylight hours that we always say we spend in our own homes typically are going to be in the living area in the kitchen, and this is what you're going to spend so much of that time. And why not have enough room to, if you have a big dog or two, to be able to live in something and to have a lot of space like this, and knowing that you're not going to be falling all over each other. Obviously, and somebody is going to be traveling and making the effort to go out there and to be in the nice weather we have and the nice part of the country we live in, is they want to get all that space. They want to be able to know that they have room to put things. And in this case, you do have very good storages. You're going to have some storage areas that are going to be back and down over underneath these sides here. You're going to have a little bit of storage underneath the fireplace here, and also a little bit that they run in these little nooks and crannies here, and also on both sides, as well as this open area counter space in on this front area. That's the front end. Your TV right here, of course, is a very large television, and it probably can sway a little bit left and right to help you get good viewing depending on where you're sitting. So that's going to be a nice area there. Your entertainment center is going to be inclusive here, where you can do your CD and your DVD. It also has a USB connection and most likely Bluetooth, which is nice for your Bluetooth enabled devices. iPod and RPod and all these are different things you can get into for your music players and stuff like that. These sitting on this side are going to be recliners here, and then on the other side of it we'll show you as well what we got there. But you got two here, you got cup holders, four of them here, so you got plenty of that. Nice areas to sit. You've got windows on both sides that open up here, and then you have the back window that you have over there for viewing, but giving you good airflow all the way across the coach is nice to have. As we switch around with the camera guy and I come over here, you're going to see that you have a sofa bed over here, and this one's going to be one that you take the cushions off here and the bed will go into this area, and so you can sleep two adults here. So you've got nice sleeping area here, you got nice sitting area there. This booth dinette will also make into additional sleeping if needed. This has really super nice, nicely made plywood on your drawers. That's going to be on both of these, and then these can come together and make into a bed with this portable table, so you can still move the table a little bit depending on what your needs are to have a large family in here if you need to as well. You're going to have in the kitchen area, this is going to be a nice deep pantry. You can take these shelves and move them out and have hanging if you prefer on all or portion of this closet here. As we look in the kitchen area, you see we got this nice counter raised up height here, so you got a nice place to put things when you're coming in and out, loading groceries and such like that. You're going to have a nice large, this one's going to be a little sticky there as being new, so you do have that large sink. That makes it nice with a more a fancier kind of sink here, makes it nice for moving around. It's well made, these faucets. I like the way they've done that. These countertops being a solid surface makes it also very nice and upgraded. You'll see this drawer slides out for a lot of silverware and things underneath there. And then you got the rest of these full extension drawers, as well as some cupboard space down below. Window right there to kind of view out to where your patio's at, saying hi to everybody, or they can kind of, hey, grab me another drink. So there you go. So right here overhead we do have these nice cabinets and space. And look at the details on these cabinets. I love the way they've done the details on these solid wood cabinets that Coachmen does. And Coachmen's owned by Forest River. It's a great company, one of Warren Buffett's companies. And so they just do a great job on a lot of their cabinetry and design. You've got your oven here and your 3-burner with that little glass top. It folds out of the way nicely too. I like the way they do that. So it's going to be a nice little addition. It gives you a little more built-in counter space as well. You have a little more space in this area as well as these cupboards too in that kind of kitchen area. You're going to have the refrigerator that's right here. They open up nicely to get into your freezer and fridge. It's going to be there. And then as we kind of go along, there's a couple more areas over here, you guys. You'll see for storage, another window on that side for the patio. And then as we go into this area, you're going to have all this area for either pantry in the kitchen if you choose, or use it for partial things that you want for the bathroom as well too, maybe if you want to for towels. And that's going to be up there. And then we have a little more storage space down here as well. Again, real nice cabinets. And then when we go inside the bathroom here, what's nice, the camera guy can see, look at how beautiful and big that shower is. It gives you lots of space in there to get in and around, place to set your foot up if you're shaving the legs, or if you just want to get in and for washing up. It makes it a nice big shower, more like a residential shower. And then you've got your storage above the sink here for medicine cabinet storage and all that. And you also have a nice porcelain toilet too, which makes it really nice. So we'll go into the master bedroom here and see what that has to offer. Right now, it is with the slide out in. So with this slide out on that side, you'll find that it has plenty of room to get around this full-size queen bed. And some RVs just do a little smaller bed in there to make it work out, and this is going to be a regular residential queen size. But look at all that nice storage overhead that you got up the head of the bed with some reading lamps that come down. And then you have right on my right here, the hallway is a pocket door as opposed to being a curtain or some type of fabric. So it makes it nice for privatizing that master bedroom from the rest of the home. And then you do have what's nice with this bedroom slide out, you get all that huge closet across the other side. So those doors there all open up, and there's 4 of them, and you have all that hanging closet space inside there, which makes it extremely nice. And then you do also have this area for setting a TV on to my left, and a doorway out to the patio area as well. And what you'll find out here, I'll show you when we get to the outside now, the outside kitchen they have out here. So we'll go ahead and head that way next. And again, Coachmen is the company. They have a travel club within that first year as well that you get for free, and their warranty is a 1 year on what they offer. So when we go out here, that factory grab handle there and the aluminum line steps make it really nice for longevity. The patio, you've got this big patio awning that's power, and it works over the door you have here, Major, and your doorway into the bedroom. You've got speakers here. These windows too, you notice they don't have any framework to them, so they're a frameless window, which make it really nice for maintenance down the road, easy cleaning and wash up. And they also can be left open when it's raining because they'll allow that ventilation. You've got custom wheels that you have on it. Their axles are spread a little bit further like you do on some of these ultralights of today. They help a little bit with that tongue weight and weight distribution, so that makes that nice. Again, in that outside kitchen area here, you do have a little sink with hot and cold water, and you're going to have some places up here for setting some items, and then you also have more storage up here. But again, nice cabinetry, really nice designs to them, beautiful. You have a large electronic refrigerator right here. And this slide out here, when we unsnap this, will slide out with your grill. So you can go ahead and put the little green bottles and barbecue outside. When we go around the back side, you are going to see that we do have a ladder. Makes easy access to get up on the roof, but don't get up there and climb up on your roof without being really safe and making sure even that you have a rope or something to kind of brace yourself with. We do have free roof inspections twice a year at Guaranty, so come see us. Let us take care of your roof and maintain it for you. This right here gives you some more added space over there in the back of that wardrobe closet that's on the inside. Has a little magnet that holds that up. It also, you'll see a camera space up there for pre-wired for a camera, so if you wish to have one of those, see me about that, and I can give you an idea of the cost estimate to get that. When you're looking at this side here, the slide out is in right now, and we do have a large area underneath that bed, so you can see it makes it nice to have added storage. You never get enough, that makes up a lot of it right there. On the outside, your outside shower, hot and cold supply here, your cable and satellite separate here, your city water, and then your black tank flush is nice. You hook your hose up to that while you're dumping your black tanks, makes it help to spray fluid in there and help wash those out. Makes it real nice. Your power supply and then your city water here. So essentially, you guys, when you have questions about searching for large ultralight travel trailers, Guaranty specializes in all the different types of travel trailers that you pull behind, as well as all their motorized and their fifth wheels and truck campers and tent trailers and all the stuff we carry. So you'll have questions, please give me a call at the end of this number you see, the end of the video, you'll see that phone number. Give me a call. And you know, I've been here 28 years and I have a lot of knowledge I can help with you. It's all free. And you know what? At Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.